Hello everyone. Today's DIY is using the pipe cleaners. They are the pipe cleaners which we get. I have prepared 4 games using the pipe cleaners. I'll show you one by one what are these. First one is a fishing game. Everyone, it's a very famous game of fishing that goes around, and there's an automated game, and you have the fishing rods and you catch the fish and it opens the mouth and you do it. So we also have that game, and the kids are playing that game with their dad outside. But the thing is that it's one thing motorized, and second thing, it's very difficult for my younger one to play with it. But she comes and messes it up and all that. So I just thought to make it a manual game which is really slow for my younger one, and she can pick it up and enjoy the game. So this is what I did. I made this pipe cleaners I used and made fishes. It's not decorated with the eyes or something. You can decorate it, but I made the shape of fishes and I spread it in this box. So this is nothing but this is a chapti song which we call. This is for sensory purpose. You can add rice also, whatever you want. But I prefer putting something which is healthy to eat, because my kids always put things in a mouth whatever in the sensory box. So this one is nothing but a popsicle stick I have, and in the magnet, and I didn't have thread, so I have used gota, what you call the fancy this one. And I made 2 popsicle sticks, one for Sia, one for Sanvi. What you do is you have this one, they have to focus it and catch the fish. So that's a fishing game I made for them, and we play it every morning since last 3 days. So I hope this will go this week. Second one is a color recognition activity for mainly Sia. So what I do is I had this, I don't know from where, the wooden kind of tray. There's a felt cloth. I stick it, make current circles with 3 colors: yellow, green and blue. And then I had only green pom-poms, so I put the green pipe cleaner around it, and then I made round with this one, just yellow ones and the blue ones, because I didn't have the blue and yellow pom-poms. So I just put it like that, and then they have to sort. The green goes here, yellow goes here, and blue goes here. So that is again a color sorting game with the pipe cleaners. And the third one is fine motor skills as well as color recognition. What I have done, I've cut this pipe cleaners in small pieces, and similarly the matching straws also. And this is nothing, we get guavas packed in this tray, just a foam tray, and I have put with with a sketch pen I have marked blue, red and yellow. And then I gave the girls these pipe cleaners to put it, and they will, like this, they have to put all the pipe cleaners matching to whatever the sketch pen marks I have. Then they have to pick up a straw and put it over there. Yellow one goes here and the blue one goes here, like that. They have to complete the full tray and use all this stuff. And the last game which I made is using this one. So this is nothing, we are doing the letter R this week. So R for rainbow. I use this popsicle. I'm using this pipe cleaners to create a rainbow. So yeah, rainbow has 7 colors and all that. I didn't go that way. Whatever colors I had, I used all the colors, and then I have on these 2 sides I put it, and then you have to match the color and make it like that. Join it. Then blue, you have to pick it up and put it like that. So like that, then they'll put everything, it will look like a rainbow. That is what I'm going to talk about. R for rainbow. And yes, not all the colors of rainbow, but still fine motor skills and color recognition activity for the girls. So that's all the stuff I did with the pipe cleaner this week. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.